Tell them I'm the realest. Then they feel me.
Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hello my cutie popping queens, how are you doing? I know you're popping. Today I've got another beautiful video for you guys. In this video is going to be a review / install of hair from BEA Hair. All the link, all the details to BEA Hair is going to be in the description box, so open the description box to shop BEA Hair. Okay, it's a kinky straight full lace. Okay, full lace meaning you can braid it all the way to the back, you can do whatever with it because it's a full lace glueless wig. So we're going to open this hair so we can see this beautiful kinky straight glueless full lace wig from BEA Hair. Okay, Brazilian virgin kinky straight 22 inches natural average size wig cap. The instruction manual, you know, leaflet, that's that. And I have this wig cap, is a brown color wig cap, very nice. Ta-da! First of all, the lace. Okay, I love the lace color. When I open a wig and I can see that the lace is not like white, I'm really happy with the lace. Okay, look at that lace. It's not white, straight from the pack, you all, and it's not white. So you can actually wear this without even applying concealer, foundation, or whatever. It's a full lace, meaning you can glue it all around. Okay, all around. Or if you don't want to glue it all around, you can actually use an elastic band. It will stay with an elastic band. Okay, so this is it. It's also a full lace. Full lace means that everywhere you have lace. Okay, you see there is lace all around, so you can braid it, you can do whatever. Full lace. Okay, because some wigs are 360, so you can glue it all around, but they are not full lace. Okay, so this one is a full lace and it's a kinky straight hair. Okay, so I'm going to be installing this hair on my beautiful model, which you guys are going to meet very soon. So you guys stay tuned. Like I said, this wig is from BEA Hair and all the details is in the description box. You guys remember to show me some love in the comment section. Love you guys. Thank you guys for always watching. Please share this video with your family and friends and stay tuned for the installation of my beautiful model.
I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man.